Hello, this is Mr. Van Alstyne. I'm working with Mr. Astor this year and the group TechYes, and I'm here to help you get started with your first TechYes project. It's going to be a project you will do with your advisory class, and it's all about college. So we have designed a project that's going to answer this question. How does my race, gender, or socioeconomic status or cultural upbringing affect my opportunities when applying to college? So how do all those things factor in when you are going ahead and applying to the college of your choice? So what we're going to have you do is, instead of making a website this year, you are going to make a mobile application. So the first step is going to be going to a website called Wix. That's W-I-X. Right up here, www.wix.com. So you'll pop onto the home page, which is right here. It looks like this. And then you're going to go up to the top right where it says Login Sign Up. And you'll click that there. Once you get there, you won't have a new account yet, but if you come up here, you can select Create New Account, and then you can just go ahead and sign up. Signing up is very easy. All you need is an email address, so I'll put mine in here, and then also a password of some sort. That's all the information that's required of you. So, all right, and then just click Go. Alright, this is going to be the startup page to start making a website. Now, in order to make the mobile app, you actually need to go ahead and just choose one of these to start with. So we'll just choose Design to start with, and then Other, and then hit Go. Now you're going to get to your main page here, okay? Your main page. And if you go up to the top and click, sorry, you got to go back here. You need to first choose one of these templates. Okay, it doesn't really matter which one it is. You just need to choose one. So we're just going to start off with, let's just do PR, public relations. So we'll click Edit. So go ahead and click Edit. What ends up happening is that this Wix website creator will come and pop up here. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. And there's even a video that will explain what to use, but we're not going to watch the video because we are going to be using the mobile site here. So it's going to look something like this. You have all your tools here on the left. You can save it, you can publish it, you can upgrade it up here at the top, or preview what your website looks like. But what we need you to do is we just need you to click Save first. Okay, and this is going to be the important part. So this is how you're going to save your website. So you're just going to type in your first initial and last name and then college. Okay, so first initial, last name, I'm just going to do Van, and then college. Okay, first initial, last name, then college. And that should cover everybody. And then click Save. Now you have this saved. And we'll even tell you right up here, hey look, your site has been saved successfully. So let me get this back. Alright, now to access the mobile features, because we're going to be working exclusively in mobile, you're going to want to go up to, or go back, you can just exit out of the editor. So you should have a window open that says editor. You can just exit out of that, say leave page, and then you go back to this site where you chose your template. Okay, if you go up and click on My Account, notice how you're logged in. So click on My Account, and then you're going to have options here. And what you can see is that there's additional services for mobile and also then for Facebook. Okay, so we're going to click on the mobile option here, and that's going to open up the mobile editor. Now here's another place where you get to choose your template. So whatever you want to do, you can do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll do the just very basic one. I'll do just Adrian Shell Consulting. We'll do that one here. Over on the right hand side, you'll see a live preview of it. Click Next. Then down here and choose category, you'll click Other, and we'll do college. And then you're going to type in your full name. And then college project. Okay? So boom, shows up nice over here. Once again, you can see the live preview. and then click next. Alright, so now here's the layout screen. And this is where you're going to do most all of your editing. Okay, so over on the left hand side you have all the pages you currently have. Everyone starts out with 3 pages, then a call us now page, and then an email page. So we're not going to deal with those yet, but it's very easy to change the headings for these. You can just go where it says about, and that will change your menu over here. So if you want to change that to college, you can do that just by typing in right there. Now if you want to add more pages to this, okay, you can click over here and click add page. And then what you want to click on is you want to do collection, okay, because what you're going to see here is you'll get a little nice little picture when you go into the collection menu, a title and description. So you'll hit OK. It's going to take you right to that collection page. And if you just click on the add collected items, this will pop up. And we're going to deal with this later, but you can add in your title, a description, and a picture. Okay? So you're going to want to add a total of, you're going to have 10 of these little menus. So if you click on your home, you need to see 10 over here. Okay? So actually that's going to be 11 including the home page. So home page plus 10 of these. So right now I have 4, so I'm going to add 6 more. And they're all just going to be collections. Once you add 6 more, we're going to go ahead and title these. And in a separate video, we'll go over what you need for each. But I want to at least get the titles down for you of what you're going to add here. So let's start out with the first one. The first one is just going to be a home page. We can leave that like that. But the second one is actually going to be called, and if you just click on it, you can change the title up here as well. This one's just going to be called This Mobile App. The second one, and we'll just kind of go through this, is going to be applying to college. The third one is going to be what is the common application. The fourth one is future plans. So what are you going to be doing in your future? Why are you going to college? Then we have demographics and family. Then we have education and academics. We have extracurricular activities and work. On our last couple here, writing and history. And then finally, what this all means. This will be the part where you kind of sum everything up. So I added an extra tab there, and if I actually go back to my home page, and I click on that extra tab, there's a little trash can, so I can just go ahead and delete it. Now, if you want to edit things, you can just go ahead and click on whatever site you're on, and then you have 2 options. You have the title up at the page, and then you have content and layout down below. So if you want to change the layout of it, you can go ahead and click on layout. Okay, right now we just have text. So if you want to get a picture and title in text, you can go ahead and click add element. And you can see here you have a couple different options. So if you click image and text, it's going to insert that. Okay? And if you want that above your text box, you can click the little up arrow and it will move it above. And once again, you see live tiles over here. If you go back to content, this is where you're going to actually do your editing. So this is where you'll add pictures. If you click here, you can see that we can add photos, we can get rid of the photo, title it, put specifics. And then down here, this is just the text box that we were looking at earlier. Here's where we can do our text. And the text that you're going to want to add straight off the bat here is just our guiding question. And that guiding question is, how does my race, gender, socioeconomic status / cultural upbringing affect my opportunities when applying to college? Okay, so that's the main question. Everyone needs to copy that down. That's going to be in this first part. Okay, the rest we'll go through in a separate video, but this should get you a good start. Okay, so remember, if you want to add a page, you click here, do collections. Once you're in it, if you want to edit it, you can choose different layout features in the layout tab, and then you can actually edit the content through the content tab. Alrighty, good luck, guys.